Grade 4 Capstone. You were approached by a builder to design a lighting system for a house with 4 rooms, and one should have a darkness detecting bed lamp, so that every time the user switches off the light, the bed lamp automatically turns on. Your challenge is to build a working prototype of this circuit using the components in your kit and the concepts that you have learned in this module. To solve the problem, you will first need to answer the following questions. 1. Who is the person who is going to use your idea or output? This will be your user. Second, what is the problem you want to solve for them? This is a user's need.
Lighting in corridors and public spaces is very often left on for long periods of time, even when there is no one in the place. Presence or occupancy sensors in this area can considerably decrease the electricity consumption. By means of these detectors, lighting of corridors and rooms is automatically switched on or off, depending on the presence of people, avoiding unnecessary energy waste. Moreover, a newer type of detectors combines presence sensors with photosensors that dim the lighting according to the daylight availability, thus increasing the energy saving.
Why do you think automatic lighting systems are useful? Answer. Leaving the lights turned on, be it in homes or on streets, always lead to a lot of wastage in energy consumption. Therefore, it is important to have an automatic lighting system. In today's capstone, you need to build an automated system that manages, regulates and optimizes the uses of electricity. These are the materials for the capstone, like jumper wire, LEDs, resistors, battery, breadboard, battery snap and everything. And this is my ready module of capstone, in which I have added 2 LEDs, 1 LDR. Will use LDR to detect the darkness, and 2 LEDs, one for glowing up the light when there is no when the LDR detects the darkness. These are the connections that I have made. Now I will switch it on. Let's see what happens. I will keep darkness in my room. This is a switch which we can switch on as a normal lighting system, and then LDR detects the light so that the LED will be switched off, and when there is a darkness, LED will be switched on. See what is happening when I am switching it on. So this way it is working. LDR is detecting the light that falls on it, it is reacting. Logbook question and answers. Question 1. Who is the user you are addressing in this capstone? Answer is house owner. Question 2. What is the need of the user? Answer. The need of the user is when user switches off the light, the bed lamp automatically turns on. Question 3. List down all the insights you have gained about the user and his or her requirements. Answer. User needs normal lighting system in 3 rooms and an automatic bed lamp that switches on when there is a darkness in 4th room. Question 4. What kind of lighting system are you planning to build? Answer is, lighting system should be like there is a bed lamp that blows up automatically when there is darkness in the room, and in other rooms normal lighting system is there. Question 5. What kind of system solved when compared to the existing circuit? Explain briefly. In this system, the user need not to switch on or off the bed lamp manually, as it will work automatically. Question 6. Why do you think the user you have selected will need your lighting system? Answer is, user will need our lighting system because we have a unique lighting system which automatically switches on and off the lamp. Question 8. What improvements do you think can be made to your capstone in terms of design? Answer. We can add some more darkness detector and lamps to expand it. Last question, question 9. Do you think your hardware circuit came out well? What improvements do you want to make? Answer is yes, no improvements are required.